Financial freedom. Most of us want it. Not all of us are going to get it. But I'm going to show you one way that I generate about $600 per week. And yes, it takes money to make money. So if you're watching this video and you're going, dude, I can't afford this, that's okay. Learn so when the money does roll in, you're prepared. You know what to do. Now, this is strictly an income generating strategy. This is not part of my investing. So some of the companies that I'm going to show you or talk about, I'm also investing in them. They're my long-term investments. And then separately, I'm buying a couple hundred shares of very volatile companies or slightly more volatile companies, and I'm selling covered calls. If you don't know what that is, I'm going to show you two things real quick. If you go right here and you click on the menu, which is right here, you want this, Covered Calls Explained. This guide is a unit. I've got links here to YouTube and TikTok for both playlists, TikTok and YouTube, and it just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes, and it is totally free. You'll notice there's no email sign up. And the second thing you want to do is go and watch the videos in those playlists. I have been on TikTok for 5 years. I have almost 450,000 followers, and I get about 200 DMs per week. And a lot of the DMs are unnecessary because all you got to do is look around, browse, look at my playlist content catalog on my website under the menu. But I'm getting DMs. I'm inundated with DMs. Can you explain this? Can you make a video on that? I did. It's here. It's there. Please look first. All right, let's get into it. Oh, and by the way, this is a riskier strategy, right? Selling covered calls to make high premiums usually means that the stocks are volatile. This also means that these particular stocks, whatever is volatile in the moment, isn't always going to be volatile. But it is a step towards financial freedom because once you own these shares, you can generate weekly income that can pay condo fees, homeowners insurance, car payment, pay down student debts, or even just take that money and put it into your retirement account so you know you can retire one day. This is Thinkorswim. It is from Charles Schwab. And you can see that I have Joby Aviation on my screen right now. It's only because this stock was just absolutely on a tear yesterday. But if you click right here, you can see that I have a covered call set to expire on Friday. I have two contracts. It's 8:30 in the morning now, so markets aren't open, so these prices will change. But I made about $140 yesterday just selling two more calls with a strike price of $16.50, and those shares are going to be gone. Now, maybe this is a stock that I want to own as a speculative investment, but for this strategy, they're gone. I don't care. I want to lose those shares. I'm just here for the premium. Give me the premium. Someone else can buy the shares from me, and I'll buy the shares back next week, or I will sell a cash secured put, which is on this side of the screen. HIMS is another stock that's been very consistent for this strategy recently. And another question I get a lot is, how do you calculate your percentage? How much are you making per week on this strategy? And per covered call that I'm doing, so I currently have like 3 or 4 different positions open, I'm making anywhere between 2 and 4% per week. This is not going to be consistent. It is not going to be 2 to 4% every week. In more volatile markets, the premiums are higher. So don't bank on this. And I've got this on my smaller dry erase board right now. And you can see here at the top, I've got a couple of stocks that I'm considering doing this with. But to calculate your percentage, you divide the premium by the cost to buy the shares. So on Oklo, I made $241. I spent $5,685. So you divide it, you get this number multiplied by 100, and that is your percent gain, 4.23%. Now, sometimes people look at something like Oklo and they go, oh, dude, you should have just traded the stock that week because you would have had a bigger gain. Yes, I made $241 plus the difference of my purchase price to the sale price. It will be assigned because Oklo is $64. Now, I bought it, I think, at 57 or 56. So if I had just traded the stock this week, I would have made significantly more money. But I didn't know that. And that's the thing. You're not here to make all of the money with the strategy, just some of it. Next week, it might not go up $8 in the week, and you might end up making more from the premium. So you can play this game of like, oh, last week it went up 8, so I should trade it this week. Oh, this week it didn't go up 8, it only went up 2. Oh, I should have done the covered call. Oh, next week, you don't want to get into this game. It's a whole headache. For me, this is simple. It works. I'm making a little bit of money. I don't need a lot. I don't need everything. I just need a little, and it works for me, and it's one step closer to financial freedom. And this is a strategy you can do all the time, even when you're retired, to keep generating income. All right, hope that helped. See you later.